Hi, my name is Mohammad Asif Iqbal. I'm a blind PWC professional working for PWC India as a senior manager in the advisory practices. I lost my eyesight at the age of 16, but nevertheless, I became the first blind commerce graduate from St. Xavier's College, Calcutta, first one to do an MBA HR, and was instrumental in creating reservation quota for the disabled across IIMs and IITs and all government-aided Indian universities and colleges. Today, I'd like to demonstrate the power of screen reader, which is an assistive technology. And I'm just using a normal laptop, and the only thing different it's equipped with the screen readers, and I'd like to demonstrate the power and as well as the challenges. So,
4:33 p.m. Alt tab, power of ordinary people. Alt tab, snapshot Mohammad Asif Iqbal. Snap, alt space, menu, system X, leaving menus, edit.
So now this actually it's reading it out and it can be customized. So it's a Microsoft Word applications. And of course, now let me go back to the Internet Explorer. And
enter Internet Explorer.
And
blank page.
It works really beautifully.
Home, Google Finance, Google G. Enter leaving menus, new tab page. Address and search using bin edit about :blank, Alt+D.
As I'm scheduled to deliver a session at Global Conference in Cyberspace, so I'm just
search edit. Enter region search edit GCCS 2017 GCCS 2017.
It tells me everything, and yes, it's speaking fast, but the voice can be customized. While this gets loaded, let me just show it to you how I work on the email.
Snapshot Mohammad Asif Alt tab, Global Conference Alt tab, Power of Ordinary Alt tab, Inbox dash Outlook data file dash Outlook.
Okay, let me just send a quick mail.
Control N, untitled dash message left Al tab, Al tab, PR underline Verma tab, PR underline tab, subject edit Alt+U, PRESENTATION present A T at GCCS GCCS 2017 tab message edit thing POSAIBLE possible enter.
Okay, so
inbox dash Outlook.
I have sent an email, it reads out emails. Now I would like to highlight the challenges part of it, like sometimes it has a visual capture which is not possible. Then if I have to book a ticket, so sometimes the calendars, it can only be navigated through the mouse and not a keyboard. And that's a big challenge. Okay, now here I'm not able to put this in because it only allows the keyboard. So this is the big challenge that it has. It would be a frustrating experience to ask someone to help me out. This worked really well on the Excel sheet. So it tells you exactly which row you are on, which reference you are in, right? And I do not use a mouse, I use a keyboard. Where it is a challenge is it does not read the graphics or the components, but it.
Slide 4, Governor Award. Slide 5, National Award. National DSC underline.
Now I'd like to take this opportunity to give you a perfect example of universal access. An iPhone or high-end Android, which is made for everyone, and people like us who cannot see can actually use it out of the self. And I'd just like to demonstrate, even though it's a touch thing. So wherever I put my finger on it,
Maps.
It says map,
weather,
iBook, clock,
App Store,
home, health. There are accessible apps and inaccessible. If you do not design with an access in mind, it will not be able to use by persons with disability. Let me quickly show you how. Okay, now I'd like to show you how I use the camera.
Flash.
And I'm just going to take a picture.
View one face. Take picture.
One face told me, and I have taken the picture. Now I'd like to demonstrate the sophisticated app which is designed for blind and visually impaired. It's called KNFV Reader. So how do I access a hard copy?
Health.
Let me just show you.
Home. KNFV Reader.
So I have launched an app, and now I need to know whether my camera is accessing the entire document or not.
File Explorer setting. Camera tilt row degrees.
The right edge, top edge, it's read. So the picture should come quad. Take picture. Now
play.
It has entirely reading there, and I can save it. I can do whatever I please. So this is the power of technology, which makes things possible. For most of you, it makes things easy. For people like us, it makes things possible. Thank you.